Here's the problem. Your phone breaks and you need to fix it. Where's the first place you go to? Google and Facebook. Google is the first place we go to find places for lunch, fix our phones, or buy a new one. Your customers do the same thing. When I owned my phone store, I used to advertise on the newspapers, print some flyers, and have a big sign in front of my store. But now, customers look for their needs online. So here's my question for you. Is your store visible online? Not just visible, is it ranking high? Is it the top 3? Because after that, forget about it. They don't care. Over the past years, we serviced many wireless stores to be known in their area, to bring them more traffic and more customers. With over 25 years of experience in the industry, we are the #1 choice for cell phone and repair shops. Click below to learn more about Uppluck and what we can do for your business. Trust me, it will be the best decision you made this year.